Hi there, Deb. I just thought I'd make you a quick video just to show you a workaround if your web developer is struggling with installing the script onto your website in the back office. Okay, so I've set up a brand new site here. It's called VidPops, and it's really a site where I test certain softwares that we're actually rolling out for our system. So first thing you need to do is you go to plugins. You want to add a new plugin. And if you go to keyword, just type in header. If I just do the and sign as well. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find one which is called H&F, yeah? And this is basically one of the best ones out there. There's quite a few you can choose from, but this one I'd highly recommend because I've never had an issue with it. So if you just click install now, as you can see, there's over 300,000 active users right now. So it's a well-used header and footer. Then you click on activate. Okay, and now that is now an active plugin on your website. So if you go to settings, headers and footer, and you can see here you've got your header section here and your body tags are here as well, and you're basically anywhere here you could put it. So what I suggest is on your header page here, number 1, if we go to your VideoClick, this code here we're going to copy, and I'm going to copy it into that space just there, and then click save. Okay, that is now saved onto the actual website. So if I go to the website now and view it, as you can see, it has come up now. All right, and there you are in your glory, doing a fantastic job. Okay, so I hope this explains. If you have any issues, give me a call. I'm more than happy to discuss it with you and talk you through it over the phone if I have to. All right.